What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, back with another review. So in today's review, I want to do a demonstration of this product, baby, because it is a life. Pedro salt, and I absolutely love it. Y'all gotta smell this. It smells amazing. Let me see if I could describe how this smells. Oh my gosh, it's just giving me remembrance of being at the beach and the ocean and just cleanliness, like a hotel cleanliness feel. I don't know how to describe it. That is the best way to describe the smell on this. It's giving your girl hotel vibes, Mexico, beach, yes, and sea salt with a hint of clean. It's not even a hint, it just smells really good, y'all. Oh my gosh. So if you like clean scents and you want your hair to have volume, this is the ticket right here. Kick it up a notch with Salt Natural Sea Salt. This spray adds a volume, texture, and a light hold. So we have our demonstrator here, and her name, we're gonna call her Consuela. Yes, Consuela, you would like volume in your hair? That's what we're going to give you. So I've got my nice round brush. I don't know what it is with me, but I shake all the time, no matter what it is. And we're just gonna spray liberally to the area, and we're gonna leave this area the same way. So we've got our hair here. I'd like to run it through, get that product in, and get ready to blow dry some volume, baby, because we's about to get it in. As you can see, fam, Consuela seems to want to give me a hard time. She seems to be very tender-headed. But honestly, this product is really, really good. I absolutely love the way it smells, like I stated in the beginning, and I'm really here for it. It does leave a light hold. It's not sticky or any kind of residue or anything of that nature, and it's just really smooth. It adds a nice volume to it. You know what I'm saying? It's like a natural volume, and I absolutely love that, because some people ain't looking for that big old Southern Belle look, you know? Some people just want that natural volume, and this does it. All right, y'all. So as you can see, she's got some added volume and bounce to her hair, baby. Oh my gosh, look at the shine. Now let's look at this side. She still has shine, but she's fluffy and frizzed out. This is the volume you don't want, honey, when you get your hair done. And this is the volume you want when you get your hair done. Don't pay attention to that, that's just the back. Look at it. I didn't have to do much, okay? It's got a nice hold. It's a light hold. It's not like a heavy hold, so your hair is still movable in the wind, but it does give you that nice shine and that nice bounce and that nice volume that you absolutely love. Now keep in mind, her hair is very long, so her hair is very heavy, and she's 26 to 28 inches long, depending on where she's at. So I would say right around in here in the front area, she's about 26 inches long. But when you have long hair, it's just gonna hang and drape. And that's the problem with a lot of people that have long hair, is that the hair hangs and they like, I want volume. And when you want volume, honey, people ask for layers because they're like, lighten my hair up. But with this product, clearly, you don't have to go ahead and get layers if you don't want to get your hair cut. You can still get a nice, voluminous, shiny, bouncy, non-greasy, voluminous look. Like, this is amazing. And I'm like, oh, wow. And then you're gonna have the hold right there. You know what I'm saying? So let's say you wanted to do something like this. You guys like to tousle your hair and stuff like that and just play and be flirty or whatever. Compared to this, which is the natural state, and compared to this, and it still has the volume and the shine, I'm here for it. So I really do hope that this helped you. This product is literally amazing. It smells amazing. It works amazing. Baby, I've been a hairdresser for 14 years plus, and this is a go. You won't be disappointed. All right, talk to you later. Bye.